Welcome to this tutorial on how to turn off maintenance mode in WordPress. In this guide you will learn how to log into your account, navigate through various settings and make your site publicly accessible again. We begin by opening your internet browser and heading to WordPress. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login button will take you to a secure authentication area. When the login screen appears, you will see the option to continue with Google. This feature makes it efficient and secure to sign in, as it uses your trusted Google account for authentication. Simply click on the option to continue with Google and then choose the account you wish to use. This process not only speeds up the login but also ensures that your account details remain protected. After successfully logging in with your chosen account, the next step is to navigate to your settings. On the WordPress dashboard, locate the area labeled Settings. This section acts as the control center from which you can manage many aspects of your site. Once you have entered the settings area, your focus should shift to locating the hosting features section. This step is crucial because the hosting features area contains additional options that affect the public status of your site. Within the hosting features section, you will encounter another link that takes you to additional settings. When you click on this link, a new page will load that expands upon your configuration options, allowing you to make more specific adjustments to your WordPress installation. Continue exploring until you come across the section that is labeled with site visibility. This is the part of the settings that determines whether your site is available to the public or restricted behind a maintenance mode barrier. Once you are in the site visibility section, you have the option to set your site to either a private mode or a public mode. To turn off maintenance mode, change the setting to public. Switching your site visibility to public informs WordPress that your website should be open and accessible to all visitors instead of being hidden away for maintenance purposes. The final step in this procedure is to save the changes you have made. Locate the Save button and click on it, ensuring that your new settings are stored and applied right away. Saving the changes finalizes the process and confirms that your site is now publicly visible, effectively turning off maintenance mode. This guide has taken you through a series of clear steps, starting from accessing the WordPress login page, using a Google account for authentication, navigating to the settings area, exploring hosting features, adjusting site visibility, and finally saving your new configuration. By following these instructions, you have successfully transformed your site from a maintenance mode state into one that welcomes visitors. Thank you for listening to this detailed instructional guide on turning off maintenance mode in WordPress, ensuring your website is live and accessible to the public. Enjoy the enhanced functionality of your site and the seamless experience that comes with making it publicly viewable.